show you all the terrace. Originally, I haven't removed everything because in earlier videos I have told you that I have so many nice green weeds that come automatically along with the soil. I haven't sowed any of the seeds which I'm going to show you in this video. You have almost 3 weeds that have come automatically on my terrace. So the first one what I'll be showing is this one. So this is the green that I haven't sowed, but it has come automatically. So these are the seeds. If you want to still grow these seeds, if you want to have this green, what you can do is you can just cut off this and then cut this and back into the pot. So you will have automatically the green, but I haven't sowed any seed. Whenever you sow or whenever you bring soil from the garden, there will be certain greens that will come automatically, and this is one of the greens. I have 3, but for this video I'll be showing you this. So you have so many greens here. You just see this one. See, it has come to each and every drum automatically. So you have so much here. So right now I don't want these weeds. I will be using in my dal, sattvic food. You can follow my sattvic food. So you have here everywhere you can see. So what you can do is, see, these are the seeds. If you're interested in greens, you can cut it and just keep it in one drum, or you can sow it into all the drums and it will come automatically. But I haven't done this. Important thing is I haven't done. If you are having a nice garden, please do not think it's a waste greens and throw it away. Believe me, as I was learning and after so many years I came to know that this green is useful. Generally my gardener used to take it away because I never had interest of having this, but I came to know the value of these greens and started. So today I'll be making sattvic food with this. So what I will be doing is I'll just cut off. I'm going to do is either you can remove from the roots or you can just cut it off. So as I'm going to make a dish, I'm just going to cut off this. You get in markets this green. This green with huge tons. I'm having in so many, all the drums. So let me cut off more and more. Let me cut this. So I have so many. I'll be cutting it and making it sattvic food. And just see how much of greens I have taken from my garden. These are actually weeds, and this is the green that I put in my kitchen. So what you can do is it comes along with the soil as I have told. So now what I can do is, if I have extra space or if I need these greens, what you can do is take those seeds that are on the top. I've taken few, and what I'll be doing is cutting them off, and I can place them in extra space. Like I have space here. What I'll do is I'll just throw the seeds here, so it will come automatically. So green from my garden, organic garden, to the kitchen. So this is the specialty of my videos. So today we are going to make the greens. The same greens I have shown you. I have washed it and I have just cut them roughly. And I have a tur dal with me. I have taken 1 glass of tur dal, washed it properly, used 3 glasses of water with little salt and turmeric to it. So I have given 4 whistles to it. And now let us go to the process. So now we are going to make sattvic food. That is the specialty of our dish. So sattvic food means we have to use ghee. They generally use ghee. Or you can use any ghee. So we are going according to the process. I am going to take 1 ladle of ghee into this. 1 spoon of cumin seed. This is going to be the very simplest food, but believe me, it is going to taste yummy. You can either follow this, or even if you don't want to be simple, you can use onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger. It is up to your choice, but since it is a sattvic food, let us go simple, and believe me, you make like this and it is tasty. Mustard to it, I'll be using a 1/4 spoon, that's it. Just see the simplicity of this food. You can use only cumin seeds or only mustard seeds too. That is fine. Mustard seeds are flattering. I will use red chili powder to it. less, more than half of the spoon. It's up to your choice. Chilies are again, but they generally have very mild spices, very less of chili, and that's it. Nothing more. What I'm going to do is dal into this. So it's hot. This food dal is little thick. We need little thin. So what I do is I use little hot water into it. A half a glass. Adding all my greens into it. That's it. So simple. I'm going to add greens into it. See, lots of greens and greens. That is sattvic. They are eating the most healthiest food. Though it is very simple. Go green, eat green, lots of greens. No more spices. That will make your stomach light. Close the lid. Give it one whistle. That's it. Now just look at this curry. It's looking so tempting. It's so tasty. Don't feel like it's sattvic. And believe me, I have been having this. It is so yummy. You will just forget to use onion, tomatoes or garlic. This looks yummy. It tastes yummy. So okay, let's start the plating now. Just see the yummy food of sattvic. You don't miss upon this because it is so yummy. Believe me, have in the same way, this less of spices, you will enjoy this. Okay, let's know what is the difference between a sattvic and a vegan food. Sattvic, we use ghee, less of spices, without onion, garlic, all these spices, ginger, but whereas in vegan food, you use only naturally grown or from the nature. No byproducts, no animal products. No, when I say animal products means cow, anything related to bringing cow milk, ghee, butter, paneer, no animal products at all. It can be even ghee also. They use only seed oils. So vegan is totally a nature product. Whereas sattvic, they use ghee and very mild spices, no onion, garlic. So that is the important difference between sattvic and vegan. And believe me, sattvic or vegan, they taste yummy. This will be yummy. So let's do the plating now. Now first what they do is they take rice, hot rice, they eat fresh. Sattvic is they cook and they eat. They don't keep it in the fridge or reheated food. This is sattvic. What they do is take rice, make a hole inside this, add ghee, a very little ghee to it, and then they add the greens. Very simple recipe. Greens in the center. See, eating so greens is healthy. And making in a simpler form and eating is again a very, very healthy thing. Now what they do is, they have the buttermilk on the side, fruits, some fruits on the side. So this is a sattvic, proper sattvic food. But whereas in vegan food, they will not have buttermilk because it is from the cow, no byproducts. So this is the difference. And have a yummy, yummy sattvic food in the same way. Have a great time. So in this way we can serve the sattvic food and enjoy. Even in the cities you can have. Sattvic food is eaten on the leaves too. That is also a main point. Very traditional sattvic food. But if you are in the city, you can have in the plates too. This is how they serve, they enjoy. If you like my videos, please do share with your friends. Enjoy the yummy, yummy food. And please do know, eating yummy, simple food is again very, very healthy. So have a great time. So thank you so much.